In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to explore Ethereum wallet details using Etherscan. If you're new to cryptocurrency or just want to learn how to dive deeper into Ethereum transactions, this tutorial is perfect for you. We'll unravel the process step by step and make sure you're comfortable navigating this essential tool. Let's begin by opening your preferred internet browser and heading over to Etherscan's website, which is accessible by typing in etherscan.io in your URL bar. Etherscan is a powerful and user-friendly tool that provides a wealth of information about Ethereum blockchain transactions. Whether you want to check a specific transaction, monitor an address, or understand more about Ethereum's blockchain activity, Etherscan is your go-to resource. Once Etherscan is loaded, you'll notice a search bar prominently displayed on the homepage. This is where the exploration begins. Next up, you'll want to input an Ethereum wallet address into the search bar. If you already have an address in mind, simply paste it into the search field. Ensure that the address is correct and complete, as any inconsistency might lead to an error or incorrect results. Etherscan operates in real time with up-to-the-minute data, so you can rest assured that the information you are getting is current and accurate. After you've entered the wallet address, hit the Enter key or click on the corresponding search button to dive into the details of the wallet. It's important to note that Ethereum operates on a public ledger system, meaning activities tied to a wallet address, while pseudonymous, are open for anyone to view. This transparency adds a layer of integrity to Ethereum's blockchain. Now that you've entered the world of the wallet you're examining, the first thing you'll notice is the ETH balance. This tells you how much Ethereum is currently stored in this wallet, giving you a direct view of its available funds. Right below that, you'll find the wallet's total value converted into US dollars. Understanding this conversion can be particularly useful if you're keeping a keen eye on the fluctuating crypto market or reporting assets for any financial purposes. Finally, a detailed transaction history is available. This ledger provides a chronological list of all incoming and outgoing transactions associated with the address. It's like having an open checkbook or ledger entry, clearly outlining the financial activity associated with the Ethereum wallet. Each transaction entry comes with its own set of details, which you can delve into for more granular information. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you can unlock and understand the full scope of an Ethereum wallet's activities. Whether you're an investor, developer, or just a blockchain enthusiast, mastering Etherscan is an invaluable skill in navigating the dynamic world of cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore further and practice what you've learned today.